Hello, it's me Simran and welcome to the Blitz News channel. Let's talk about this corona update of the Madhya Pradesh. The situation of corona in Madhya Pradesh has come under control. There is a continuous decrease in corona cases with the confirmation of 5 to 10 cases every day. The same number of people are returning to their homes after recovering, and after which the recovery rate in the state has increased to 98.6%, while the positivity rate has been recorded at 0.01%. And in the past, while holding a meeting, CM Shivraj has given instructions for strict vaccination to deal with corona. He has appealed that those who have not applied the second dose yet, it is mandatory for those people to apply another dose for the safety of themselves and their loved ones. And in the last 24 hours, 5 new cases have been confirmed in the state. Cases have been reported in Indore and Jabalpur, including the capital Bhopal. With this, the number of active cases in the state has reached 78. Let us inform that on Wednesday, more than 52,000 samples were tested in the state, and in which 5 patients have been confirmed. In Madhya Pradesh, all restrictions of corona have been lifted and amidst the stable situation of corona. Before this, 4 on 16 November, 8 on 15 November, 13 on 14th November, 11 cases on 13 November, and 9 cases on 12 November, 12 cases on 11 November, 5 cases on 10 November, and 9 on 9 and 8 on 7 November, and 7 November and 6 corona positives were revealed. Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan has said that corona is almost under control in the state. Therefore, the decisions is being taken by the state government to remove such restrictions which were enforced till now. And these restrictions were imposed during the time of COVID epidemic. Now all social, political, sports, entertainment, cultural and religious events will be held with full capacity. Fairs to be organized at different places in the state can also be organized. Movable ceremonies will now be able to take place, and participations and marriage can be done and without a limit of number. Chief Minister Chauhan said that a long period has been spent with restrictions. The decision lift the restrictions has been taken after deliberating on the overall situation. So that's it from us in this corona update of Madhya Pradesh. Thank you for your time.